Okay. It's about 36 degrees. We're going to do some lawn equipment cold starts. Can't stir that, no gas. I don't know why that doesn't run. Mine's battery powered. This was just ran last week. Or maybe about 10-15 minutes. We're getting another snowstorm, so hopefully this old girl can handle it. I think this is from 1976. 3.5 horsepower Briggs. And this is, I think, a 5 or 6 horsepower Tecumseh. That's a 3 horsepower Briggs and Stratton. And this is a 26 horsepower Kohler Courage. It's been sitting for about a week or two. About 2 weeks. It doesn't have much gas in it. I haven't checked the oil in a while. Oil level looks okay. Probably change it at the end of the season. I'm pretty confident the snowblower would run. I already primed it before starting the video, but I want to try the tractor first. Probably going to be a fail. $227.2 hours. Pull the choke out and throttle all the way up and put the clutch on. Ooh, I got some confidence in this. Close the choke. Uh-oh. Pull the choke out and oh, I guess we're going to have to put the battery charger on this. Close the choke. Fail. If the battery was up, it would have started. So I'm going to have to go get me my battery charger. And put it on and let it cook. Oh, I got to get up off this thing. I mean, it fired right up 2 weeks ago. Like I said, I have no idea that I think the primer bulb, the hose may have come off. I mean, but it's not leaking. I primed it 100 times, pulled the plug out, and it's dry as a bone. I'm getting spark, but I'm not getting no gasoline to the carburetor. Like I said, I've already primed it, so. Prime it 2 more times. There you have it. 1 fail, 1 succeed. So if you have a comment, please leave one. Thank you for watching.